worker. But I found a way to escape the corporate rat race because I found digital marketing. Just give me a minute. Something is not loading on my side. Technology and me today are having issues going on. Just give me a seckie. Ah, what did I do? What did I do? Oh, almost there. Okay. I'm set up and done. Anyway, hi everyone. Welcome to my live. Again, my name is Janine. If we haven't met before, I'm an ex 9 to 5 employee who absolutely hated her toxic job. I used to sit in traffic and miss out on moments with my kids and feel like I was working so hard, but I was barely moving forward. I always dreamed of being that stay at home mommy, but was just surviving and couldn't actually create financial freedom from being at home and being present with my family. So I had to work. And I used to work in a buying group where I used to travel for work. So I would travel to different provinces and do store visits and do car draws. I was in marketing. So it sounded fun and like they put us in this luxurious hotels. And I'm so grateful for that because I got to see parts of the country that I would have never. But being away from your small kids for 4 days at a time is rough. I mean, my son is 6 and my daughter is 2. So I just couldn't bear being away from them anymore. Like, I had to find a way, and I just wasn't affording it until one day I realized if I keep going like this, nothing's going to change. My kids would grow up fast, and I didn't want to miss out anymore. That's why I started looking for something different. I started looking online for flexible, something that could actually replace my income. I actually just wanted a job to get out of my toxic environment. And then I found this lady on Facebook telling me how she made millions doing this. And I thought to myself, at first it was like, it sounded too good to be true. And I watched it for 6 months before I started. And then I found a system that worked and everything changed. Within months, I was able to replace my 9 to 5. And the best part, I got to do it from home, around my kids' schedule, around living life. I got to do it around these 2 little babies that I love so dearly. And I went from dreading Mondays to actually enjoying work because now it's mine. I have my freedom, I have my financial growth, and I get to build a legacy for my family. And that's all I wanted. So if you're watching and you feel stuck at a job you don't love, or you're a parent who wants more time with their kids, or you want to know, is it possible for you too? I'm not special. I just made a decision to stop being stuck and stuck with the system, and I let it do the rest. So that's why I'm sharing with you today the Legacy Builder. We have just kicked off our Confidence to Cash sprint. Our 90-day sprint started on the 15th of September. And that's the exact same framework that we follow. Every 90 days, there's a new challenge. So there's training provided to you. And right now, I'm running a special 7-day launch. So I'll cover your platform fee, your website fee, and I'll get the tech team to set you up. And you can have a one-on-one mentoring session with me. Your only investment is going to be your package, and I'll handle the rest. So whether you start small with the $100 or start big with the $900, the choice is yours, and I know your future self will thank you. So let's break it down. So what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is essentially something that you sell online. So I sell and promote done-for-you digital products, which means I have the resale right to resell. And that's how you make money. And me, as a South African, I earn in dollars. So if you want to know more, oh, now I've got this book and I have to go find this page. La, la. Give me a minute. Sorry. I'm obviously not as prepared as I thought I would be. Okay. So link in my bio. Oh, can you guys see? www.incomedailywithjanine.com. You can just head there and put your email address in, and an automated email will be sent to you. I've been scribbling now, but it's fine. So again, there's $100, a $300, a $600, and a $900. So it's whatever fits your budget. I understand that not everyone has $900 because it's a lot of money. But that's okay. I also started on the lowest package. I started on the $100 and then I upgraded to the $900. So it's perfectly okay to start on the lower packages. Let me just see here quickly. So that is it from my side. I still see that we don't have any viewers today. I was having a lot of technical problems. But again, go to the link in my bio, www.incomedailywithjanine.com. You can find out more information and you can get a free blueprint guide to how to start your digital marketing journey, should you be interested. And don't forget, get in my mailers, get your mails into my website because I'm running a 7-day promotion and I don't want you to miss out. That is it from me. Thank you so, so much. Have an awesome, awesome day, and I can't wait to hear from you soon. Bye bye.